back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. All right, today is self-care day. I need to take this wig off, Lord. Anyways, this is my outfit. I need to get my nails done, even though it's 54 degrees outside. I have to wear sandals. Let's see. What sandals do I want to wear? Oh, I need a jacket. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the shop. I am watching Grey's Anatomy. I love this show. I forgot how much I love this show. Oh my gosh. But it makes me cry all the time. What's y'all favorite show on Netflix? It took about freaking 3 hours for them to do this in my toes. 3 hours. I sat there for 3 hours. That's the reason. That's the reason I don't like going to get my nails done. I just remembered. That's the reason. Like, I'm not patient. I don't like waiting. I don't like all that shit. Anyways, I'm sitting here. It's like 10 something at night, okay? We were supposed to go out today, but it's real busy out tonight, so we decided to stay in.
The next day later.
Oh, sorry, we about to do brunch. My bad. It's brunch time. You know, we about to get some mimosas. We here. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. We out here, this nice little vibe. Just cooling, y'all. We got a little something to eat. We got the drinks. We got sangria. Mimosas, you know. Just vibing, man. Doing a nice little, slight little vibe. What y'all doing on y'all Sunday? What y'all got going on, man? It's been a long time coming since we've been out. Big vibing, man. Nice little vibe.
So now we're at the gun range, getting ourselves ready to shoot. Pop. And I can't see. I didn't bring my contacts, so your girl gonna be missing shots. But it's okay.
Right now we at the gun range. She filling out her waiver. Bring our own guns to the gun range. They asked you if you ever shot a gun before? You ever shot one before? What gun you shot?
I've been to the gun range.
So you a shooter?
Exactly. Pew, pew, pew.
Yeah. That's the only thing you're gonna be shooting is. Lord, I want to see your aim, boy. That shit gonna be funny.
I can't see. I didn't bring my glasses.
We can't open the box yet to show y'all what kind of firearm is in there.